Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, AI Tools for Entrepreneurs. And today we're going to talk about AI wealth secrets no one is telling you. We're going to review one of my mentor, Chase Rainer's video about this process and how you can leverage AI tools, especially free AI tools, to get started and to get off the ground.
What's going on, everyone? Chase with Shinify here, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day with AI and ChatGPT. And the best part is you can do this right now as a complete beginner, and you can do it 100% for free. Now, if you're brand new here, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to give you a bunch of free stuff today, including a full system that you can copy and paste into a free tool that you can start using today. Now, you can see I've been earning a lot of money for a very long time now, and this is just one of my payment processors. I get paid out by PayPal as well, and I also get paid out by all the different tools that I promote. And so I want to show you how you can actually get paid, just like I am, every single day to just promote simple links that look like this with a completely done-for-you automated system. Now, inside of this video, like I said earlier, you're going to be getting a full free done-for-you setup with a checklist that will take you through step-by-step everything you need to do to get started. And all you have to do to claim this checklist and all the stuff I'm going to be giving you for free in today's video, like the done-for-you emails, the long-form and short-form videos that you can start posting on social media, done-for-you Instagram, images, and a whole list of over 400 AI tools, plus a call that we do every single week. We do a full free call inside of our Zoom group, and we meet every Monday and go over all the strategies that we talk about inside of these videos. Now, you can grab all of this for free right now just by dropping a like, subscribing, and commenting on this video. So just do me a favor, drop a like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and I will send you everything that you can get started with right now for free in a response. Okay, so first thing I recommend is you want to understand how this actual system works and what we need to do to get set up. First thing is that you want to go and grab the full checklist and the tool. The tool that we're going to be using is going to be found at firstaitool.com/go. I will leave a link to this in the description of this video as well. But inside of this tool here, you can see it's a 30-day free trial. We can actually not only use this tool to go and sell things online, but we can actually get paid out by this tool by promoting it. And so here you can see this link here is actually the link that I promote in my dashboard. And so when somebody goes and signs up for this link, I get credited when they go and pay for a full account. Now, obviously, it's a 30-day free trial, so I'm not going to make any money when somebody signs up, grabs the free trial, and then doesn't pay. And so the idea is that if you can help other people become successful with this tool and help them sell things online with this tool, you can earn money. And again, you can give them this whole checklist as well of different things that they can start selling. So if they want to go and sell this thing or this thing or this thing or whatever the thing is that they want to sell, they could even sell a service. We can use the tool that we're going to be using today to set up an automated funnel like the one you're looking at right here, as well as a follow-up sequence with an email, something called a workflow automation. And then we can also send text messages and do all kinds of really cool stuff. We can set up chat bots. So I'll show you how this works. Let's go grab the tool. We're just going to go click on grab 30-day free trial. And then once we're in the tool, we're going to head over to our checklist. So inside this tool, once you claim this, you're going to see a couple things. First thing you're going to see is the kickoff call. I would recommend that you do the kickoff call. They just help you set up your account. It's free. And then you'd click on the checklist, and then you'll get taken to our checklist. Okay. Now, inside of the checklist, we have a few different things. So we have start here. This is where you would just go and grab the course. And then in the course, it shows you everything. So it shows you how to set up your account, how to set up your emails, how to set up your funnels. I'm going to still show you today how to do all this stuff, but I'm just telling you that everything that you need to learn step by step is in this course, how to repurpose content. And it's called the AI Affiliate Agency. So click on that. And you're going to be able to learn how to make videos, how to use the autoresponder for YouTube so that you can start responding to your comments, how to change music on your CapCut videos, how to start recording your desktop screen like the video you're watching right now, how to start scheduling out your social media content, how to create short form content. So you can go through this whole course. Again, remember, it's completely free, and it just shows you how to set up our entire system. And I really do recommend that you go through all of this, because you basically have a month to go and do all this stuff so that you can go out and be successful, okay? Also, again, obviously, you can go in and check out our previous Zoom calls, so you can go check out our group and see what we're doing over here. But I would just go through this when you can, and I would go through it as quickly as possible, because it's going to help you learn the system, okay? Now, once you've learned the system, what you're going to learn is that you're going to be able to create something called, you're going to be able to load in something called a snapshot. So if I go here and show you what a snapshot is, if I click on how to import a snapshot, this will show you actually how to load the snapshot into your account. So below this video, you will have the snapshot link right here. And then what's going to happen is, looks like we actually need to add the snapshot link in here in the video. It is in the checklist as well, though. But you would just click on the snapshot and you could load it in. And then once you load in your snapshot, the tool is basically going to be loaded up with all of the automations we use. Okay, and I'll show you inside of your account. If we log in here, you're going to get basically all of our funnels, all of our website templates, all of our emails that we send. And the whole idea that we're trying to do here is we're trying to push traffic into our funnels, because...
Hey, one quick note here. I also have an additional bonus for you at the end of this call, at the end of this meeting. So at the end of this video. So hang in tight and we'll get to it. So keep following. There's some great stuff here. And this is what Chase has been following. It's free, simple. It's working. Let's continue.
We know that if we can get people to click on our links, we can start earning money. So anytime somebody goes to this funnel here, I can make money when they go and sign up for the 30-day trial and keep the trial. Now, how do you make money? You're doing the same thing, right? You can go and promote whatever tool you want. If you want to promote this funnel, great. If you want to promote a different funnel, you can do that as well. We have a ton of different pre-built funnels and different email sequences for different things that we've promoted in the past. So you can choose other things to promote if you don't want to promote this. But we like promoting this tool just because it works so great and allows you to sell whatever you want online, and a lot of people need it, okay? So you could either manually go load up these emails, as you see here, or you could go into your account, go to your automations, and you'll see when you import your snapshot, you already have all your automations loaded in. And so here inside of the funnel here, you can see when a new contact is created or added into this account, it starts putting them into this sequence where it sends them their first email, then it waits 3 hours, sends them their next email, then it waits another 24 hours. You might be thinking, well, how do I get my link in here? Well, it's very simple. What you can do is you can swap out the link in the emails here with your link. How? We use something called a custom value. And what a custom value is, if we go back, a custom value is basically just a way for us to replace our links in bulk. So I can go to settings, custom values, and boom, you can see here I can set my custom value to be a different link, which is my affiliate link. If you don't know how to grab your affiliate link to whatever tool you want to promote, all these tools on this list, pretty much all of them have something called affiliate links, right? And so I can just go to one of the tools, for example, high level here. I can scroll to the bottom of the website. I can click on become an affiliate. And then once I become an affiliate, they're going to give me my link. And then I can just swap that link out with all of my links in my account. Now, it'll also swap out all the links on your landing pages too that we give you. So inside of your account here, not only are you going to have your links swapped out on your emails, but you can actually go into sites here and you can see all the different funnels you get. And so there's different funnels that we recommend that you can actually promote. One of the funnels that we actually just recently built for you is a funnel to actually get people to start booking calls with you, because you can offer a free setup service on tools like this. So when they click on yes, I want to book a call, boom, they enter their email, their phone number, and then they get loaded into the automation. And then they also go to your affiliate link that you can actually put on in the funnel. So pretty cool, because all of this, once it's set up, is running for you 24/7. You can see this is the link that goes to the affiliate. And so we build all of this stuff for you pretty much every single day, and we just add it into the course and add it into the snapshot. And all you really have to do to utilize this stuff is just start loading the things in, okay? So how do we go and drive traffic after we start loading up all of our funnels, all of our sequences? It's actually pretty simple. We have copy and paste content that you can start repurposing. So if you go into the checklist here and you click on something like Instagram Reels, we actually have a ton of done for you Instagram Reels that you can actually just download, because what we do is we find all the top videos that are getting the most comments, the most likes, the most engagement, and then we actually go and recreate a lot of these videos so that you can just go and download them and replace the music or whatever you want. So here's a video that got a ton of views and comments, and I can download this video. I can open up a free tool like CapCut, which, by the way, if you're lost by this, don't worry. We teach all of this inside of the free course. But I can throw this in here, and boom, look at this. Now I have this video in CapCut, and let me just play it so you can hear it. It's got some music in the background. So you can see I just paused it for a second. If I click on audio and then I actually do voice isolation, this will remove the audio from the clip, and it'll only keep the voice that's in the video. And then what I can do is I can add my own music in it. So now it's not duplicate content. Okay, so I can go and throw, I don't know, if I click on audio and then throw one of these songs over it, now I have new content that's going to not, trigger any duplicate problems on Instagram. So if I press play here,
fastest way to make $10,000 right now. You can start at.
So now it's playing music, and so now I can go and export this video, and I can do some stuff like start scheduling it out. Okay, so if I go over to Radar, which is another tool we teach you how to use in that course, and I sign into it, I can actually go and start loading all this content just by clicking on new post and then dragging whatever clip I have in here. So if I click on reel, it'll schedule out a reel. And then look at this. I can go target 45 social media channels at once, because what I do is I have my team go and build me a bunch of Facebook pages, a bunch of Instagram pages, a bunch of TikToks. And then I just schedule content out like this every single day, and I click publish. And so they actually schedule the content for me in advance. We also show you how to go and hire somebody to help you do all this stuff for you. But you can see all of this content's already here. So if I ever need to publish a video, if I want to just publish one right now, you can see this is about to get scheduled to posted to 45 different platforms. And this is actually an AI generated video. I'll show you how this works in a second. But you can see here, look at this. If I press play, this video.
3 scary websites will shock you. Shinify.com.
Okay, so boom. It's promoting like 3 of my websites, and then I can click on publish, and it'll go and start scheduling this out. It'll start posting it everywhere, okay? Now, as I start to get engagement, I start getting people commenting and interacting with all of my stuff. Now, what I do is I use robots to respond to all the comments and send them links to the funnels that I set up, okay? So all of this really is just very, very automated between the content creation, the scheduling. Look at this is an AI generated video. We got all these comments, and then we have a response going to them saying, I contacted you, and it's sending them a link to our funnel. And then when they go to our funnel and they go and sign up for whatever we're talking about, they go and go under our link. And so also, by the way, you can customize your funnel to be whatever you want. Remember how I said earlier, it really doesn't matter what you're, what you're doing, what you're promoting. You could promote a service. You could promote, if I click on edit here, because remember, you get all these different things in your account. If I click on edit here, what's going to happen is I'm going to be able to edit the funnel that we've already built for you and change it out with whatever I want. So let's say instead of offering a tool, I want to offer a service, right? So I could say new AI service makes $1,000 a day with 0 experience. Okay. Then what I can do is I can, go and take a YouTube video off of this checklist here. And like I said earlier, you can use any of the videos and different things that I build for you on this checklist. So let's say I did a video on this tool here, and you wanted to promote this tool, or you wanted to promote a setup service on this tool. You could copy the link to the video about this tool, head back over to your funnel, and then you can swap this link out. And now you have a completely different long form video that you can use. Oh, let me go back here and grab the correct link. But that's pretty cool, right? Because now you can take any piece of content. Let me just take one of these random videos here. Let's say it's this one. You can take any piece of content that I've created if you don't feel like making videos, and you can actually swap out the links on the page, and it'll automatically embed the new video, and you can promote whatever you want. You know, let's say, again, you want this to go to, instead of a book a call, you want this to like, go to a text message, text me now. And then you put a phone number, and then you can change it. Text me right now. And then I can, throw in some different text here. I can go like this and throw in a different headline. There's all kinds of things I could do to customize this, and you can do whatever you want to your funnels. But at the end of the day, remember, it's very important that you need to have some sort of funnel. You need to have some sort of automated follow-up system. And you need to have some sort of automated traffic system. Okay. And so I've already built all that stuff. I get thousands and thousands of clicks a day, as you can see just from this one link. I'm getting 396,000 clicks to this link in a very small amount of time. I've only been promoting this for maybe under 5 months, 6 months now. And so that's a lot of traffic that's very automated because I'm using this system. And remember, all of the clicks, right? The majority of the clicks just come from me doing a combination of about 3 short form videos a day, about 1 long form video a day. And all of it's very, straightforward. And a lot of it, I actually use AI to help me go and recreate a lot of this. So, for example, like with my videos, with my emails, with everything, I have ChatGPT go and build out the majority of this stuff. The majority of what I create, is really just AI assisted content with ChatGPT. So I show you the checklist, by the way, in the course, and I do really recommend that you go through this because, if you're confused, you're like, well, I don't know how to do, 3 short forms a day and 1 long form and 1 email and all this different stuff that we're doing. That's what the course is for, is it just takes you through how to do all this stuff, right? How to edit your videos, how to create your funnels, how to edit your funnels, how to send emails with your, with the CRM, because you're going to really want to start utilizing all of this so that you can really start driving traffic to offers and understand, okay, like, how did Chase come up with this email? How did he use ChatGPT to generate this email? And so I show you all of that inside of this course that you can get started with right now for free. So go check it out. Let me know what you think. And that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. And make sure, if you want all of this right now, just drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the inside. All right, guys. Bye.
This is awesome. It doesn't get any better than this. All I can tell you is I've been looking for something like this for years. I've been dabbling in social media, affiliate marketing for years, and it doesn't get any better than this. Free? Come on, really? This is awesome. Free to start. Free to get going. Most of the tools there are all free for as long as you use them. Obviously, the better you get, the more that you're going to want to leverage these tools to your ability. I'm going to add you to this. You sign up on the link shown in the screen below. I will also add to this a free one-on-one setup. You can schedule a one-on-one call with me. I will come in there. I will set up the snapshot to go high level for you. I'll get you up and running as fast as possible. Something that I didn't have, that most people don't have to get going. So you can focus on what you need to do day in and day out to make money. And that's to follow that very simple roadmap that Chase has provided. You have all the resources available, all the training videos available. The only thing that you need to do is be committed and do it. That's the only thing that I can't control. That's the only thing that Chase can't control. No one can control that. You have to do it. If you do it, you put the effort and energy into it, it will come. You will reap what you sow. With that said, the very best. We'll talk to you soon. Best of luck.